All right, my friends, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair, coming to you again. Wanted to visit with you about your brakes and a little bit of how that system works. So what we have here is an exposed brake system. This here is referred to as the rotor. This here is the brake pad or brake shoe. On this type of braking system, that's called a brake pad. This is the caliper. The caliper has a piston in it that sandwiches the brake pads together against the rotor to actually create braking action. So we'll look at that to see how thick the pad is to determine whether you need brakes or not. What people don't understand is just like the engine oil in your car that has to be changed periodically every 3,000, 5,000, or 8,000 miles, whatever it is that the original manufacturer recommends. The original manufacturer also has recommendations on how often the brake fluid should be changed. And so when you come in for an oil change, one of the things that we do on our complimentary vehicle inspection is we will actually analyze and test the brake fluid. We're analyzing and testing it for moisture content to make sure that that brake fluid has not been compromised or lost any of its integrity or values. Whenever brake fluid fails, then it causes these hydraulic cylinders, or these brake calipers, as the technical name is, to be able to fail, because now the fluid is no longer got the same lubricity in it that it needs to have, therefore compromising the integrity of your brake system. So come on in. We'd love to show you how it works on your car, show you more about it. Maintaining a brake system is by far one of the most important things you can do on your car, because brakes save lives.